The Northeastern Hill University, NEHU, Shillong became a vibrant hub of innovation and creativity as it hosted the first ever Nesty Expo 2025, a science and technology mega exhibition supported by the Government of India and the Government of Meghalaya. Inaugurated by the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, the grand event witnessed the presence of senior IAS officers, officials from various ministries, leading scientists and representatives from the Indian Space Research Organisation ISRO and NESAC, that is Northeastern Space Application Centre. The three-day expo featured over 200 stalls set up by departments from the Government of India, various state governments, the Ministry of Science and Technology, the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, MeitY, and several research and academic institutions. The primary aim of the expo was to provide scientific exposure, knowledge sharing, and technological awareness among students, researchers, and the general public. It also served as a platform to encourage innovation, promote indigenous skills, and highlight the role of science and technology in sustainable development.
Organizer and with the Spark Educational Society, we are doing the program. In this exhibition, a visitor can see and experience as many 200 stalls from Government of India and various state government departments and various science and technology organizations like ISRO, NESAC, Ministry of Electronics and IT, Science and Technology Ministry, Government of India, many states like Uttar Pradesh, the largest state in India, progressing excellently, Meghalaya, Tripura, and so many other states, Nagaland, and very important departments like Ministry of Electronics and IT. We are doing this exhibition to give a scientific exposure, knowledge, information, and awareness to our younger generation of our Meghalaya students, a school student of 10th class, 8th class, 12th class, a graduate, a postgraduate, a research scholar, a junior scientist, an entrepreneur, and a farmer, and a common man. They should be able to grasp the knowledge how India is progressing science and technology in this field, how India is doing its activities, and how our departments are contributing, are giving a remarkable their contributions in their respective fields to make India, the developed India, a very great nation, the new India and Viksit Bharat. Sir will speak.
Okay.
I am introducing.
Sir.
Expo is being held here in Shillong. It's a mega event because it is being held in the northeastern part of the nation. And there are so many stalls from the different part of the country. Stalls are put by the different departments. So this is the place where you can learn from each other. Everybody wants to showcase what he is doing. What we are showcasing what we are doing in our state, and we are also looking what others are doing in their own state. So this is the place where you can learn from each other. And this is the biggest beneficiary is the northeastern part of this our nation, who will learn from what is happening in the field of science and technology throughout the country.
Sir, please introduce yourself.
I am Shildhar Yadav. I am the Special Secretary to the Government of UP from Science and Technology.